Good morning, students. Welcome to our Avirat Classes YouTube channel. Here, Professor Amol sir will teach you about the vertical circular motion. So, today is the 1.6 topic, that is rotational dynamics 1.6. In a previous lecture, in 1.5 video, we have seen conical pendulum. In that, we have also covered its derivation and its numerical. And also, one numerical is given for your homework. I hope you have solved it. Now today's topic is circular motion, but vertical name is given. Vertical circular motion. In this case, first consider the circular motion. Whatever we have learned from 11th standard or from the previous lectures. Circular motion will be the particle is just moving, but it is moving in a constant velocity. Then only it will perform the circular motion, and its velocity will be, or we can say the direction will be perpendicular to that velocity, perpendicular to its suppose radius vector, we can say. Now in your exercise, your textbook is having one exercise question that I have just taken here. So that question is, using the energy conservation, derive the expression for minimum speed at a different location along a vertical circular motion controlled by gravity. Means we have to calculate the different speeds. Students, you just imagine you are having one bucket full of water, let's say, and you are just moving that bucket in a vertical circular motion by your hand, let's say. So bucket will be the particle. What will be the speed of that bucket at a various position, like on top, on bottom, on left side, right side, and what will be the tension at your hand at various position, that we need to calculate. For that, just consider one circle. In circle, I have considered A point, B point, C and D. This A point will be the highest point. Okay, we can say highest point, and here B point will be the lowest point. Okay, so in that case, highest position and lowest position will have different speed, and what will be the speed we will consider over there. And now you just consider what will be the forces acting on various points. So we will consider first upper point, let's say A point. Here on A point there are two forces acting. Of course, the weight of that bucket or weight of the particle will act vertically downward. That is, we have written over there mg in downward direction, right? Again, the bucket is at A point, suppose, and this is your hand, let's say. Of course, the tension will be at your hand, but in which direction? The tension will be always in inward direction. Okay, inward direction bole to from A point to the center. So we will call it as a TA, and mg is already there. Matlab two forces are there, TA and mg. Okay, now we will go to the derivation. I have written, consider the bob is tied to the string which is whirled along a vertical circle, so it performs a vertical circular motion. Instead of bucket, we have considered bob here. Okay, and instead of your hand, there will be a string. So uppermost mg and ta will be there, and of course the balancing or the circular motion, whenever it is rotating, there will be centrifugal force, that is mv square by r. So three forces are acting over there, mg, ta and this centrifugal force, and we have to consider it, right? So on next slide there will be mg plus ta is equal to mv square by r. How? mg and ta will be downward and your centrifugal force will be at outside, upward, we can say, in this direction, check in this direction. So it will get balance. Here you can see mg plus ta is equal to mv square by a. Equation number 1 will be there. Now consider, students, in this case For minimum velocity, TA will be 0. When your bucket or when your bob will be at top position, there will be tension 0, of course. जब वो नीचे आएगा at this A point, at that point only there will be tension. At this point वो लूज रहेगा, उधर पे टेंशन नहीं आएगा. So we will consider TA as a 0. So it is considered there. By putting the value of TA is equal to 0, we will get mg is equal to mv square by r, and we will give the name for VA as a minimum. Okay, so same case, from that V square or VA will be mg, VA will be equal to under root rg. Equation number 2 is given. This is all about top position, right? Or we can say highest position A. Now we will consider the point B, that is lowermost position. First of all, we have to consider the law of conservation of energy. We know that at every point there will be equal energy. So we will consider point A and point B. So total energy at point lowest point, that is B, is equal to total energy at A. We know that total energy is nothing but what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy combination. So B point अगर हम लेते हैं तो उधर क्या आएगा? Kinetic energy at point B. उस जगह पे potential energy क्या है? It will be equal to at point A उसका kinetic energy और potential energy. So student, if you consider the potential energy क्या है? Store केलेली energy. Whatever the stored energy has been stored by that particular position will be potential energy. बोले तो mgh, right? But in this lower position, always consider potential energy is equal to 0, क्योंकि वो रुकता ही नहीं है. Continuous motion is there actually. Because of that continuous motion, there will be no storage. So potential energy will be 0. So we have written potential energy as a 0 over here. Okay. So kinetic energy will be half mv square. Same formula, only instead of velocity, we will just give the suffix name, that is VA, VB, etc. At highest point, we know that this. One second. Okay. At highest point, that is P. If you consider formula that potential energy is equal to mgh, the formula will become mg into 2r. How? Height is taken 2r at point A. This point is important here. At point A, if you consider this point, at this point, the total height will be 2r, and this much height will be r. Okay, so whenever you will consider the potential energy, that is height h in that formula, at point A, you will consider the height as a 2r. We have considered here 2r. Okay, and kinetic energy will be same, half mv square. Putting these formulas in equation number 3, we will get half mv square vb square plus 0 plus equal to half mva square plus mg into 2r. By calculating this half, we have taken half, or we can say multiply by 2. If we multiply by 2, half will be get cancelled here. This half will get cancelled, and multiplying by 2, it will be 4gr, right? So equation will be mb square is equal to mva square plus 4mgr. On next slide, we can see by solving these things, we will get vb square is equal to va square plus 4gr. But va is equal to under root rg. Whatever the equation we have calculated over here, in this case, we will just use it. By putting the value of VA, we will get VB square is equal to RG plus 4RG. RG plus 4RG will be 5RG, right? So taking under root, VB is equal to under root 5GR. So equation number 4. Students, we have calculated both the velocities at point A and at point B, that is top, highest and lowest. Now the point remains C and D, that is side wala. जो हमारा है बीच में उसका. So we have written third point, that the velocity at a midway position, that is C and D. Again, the conservation of energy, etc. Total energy at C and B will be equal to 0. 2 points are considered over here. Which 2 points? C and B. These 2 points. First point, second point. Again, the energy will be same. So its potential energy plus kinetic energy equal to what? Its potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, and again we know that potential energy at this point is 0. So we will calculate it. It will help. Okay, so we have written kinetic energy. So half mvc square plus mgr. Okay, the point C is there. Point C, what will be the height? Mgh formula is there, no? So on mgh, h is taken as a r. Now look this point C. C point. We know that at point C there will be height of r only. So we have considered r over there. Okay. So putting these values, again Vc square is equal to 2gr is equal to Vb square. We know that value of Vb is under root 5gr. Just put that value and we will get Vc. Vc will be equal to under root 3gr. Bole to we have calculated three values. At the top position, always remember formula was V is equal to under root Rg. On bottom there is value V is equal to under root 5Rg. ऊपर Rg है, नीचे 5Rg है, तो बीच में क्या आएगा? 3Rg. 3Rg अंडर रूट చెప్తాయి Rg 3Rg అని 5Rg. So this is nothing but your question is here. What they have asked you, the expression for minimum velocity at a different location. So we have already calculated. So in next lecture we will see that about the tension. Now just consider here the speed, whatever the speed we have calculated. Remember, these points will be required in your numerical. So I hope you have understand these things, and we will go to the 1.7 after this lecture and we will consider the various tensions. Okay, thank you students.